Hello. It has been a while since I've done a burping video. And I figured, what better timing than New Year's Eve of 2023? I'm doing my New Year's Eve tradition of playing Grand Theft Auto 4. I've been doing that since, I'd say, I think I started doing that New Year's Eve of 2014. It's been a nice tradition, just sitting back, relaxing, and playing one of my favorite games of all time. So, without further ado, let's start burping while playing Grand Theft Auto 4. I can feel that echo. That was nice. Nice and loud. These are nice and loud. Get a load of this. I'm buying ammunition, and it's 10 rounds per magazine on the sniper rifle. One more magazine? The new year, baby. Nice and bassy. Here's to starting this new year off on the right burp.